Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Walmart for EV charging device purchases, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Walmart website or open the Walmart app on your device. Create an account if you do not already have one. Click on Sign In located at the top right corner of the homepage. Select the option to create a new account. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Agree to the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once your account is created, log into your account. Use the search bar to find EV charging devices. Browse through the available options for EV charging devices. Select the device that meets your needs. Click on the product to view its details. Check the specifications, reviews, and price to ensure it's right for you. Once you've made your decision, click on the Add to Cart button. Review your cart to confirm your selected items. Proceed to checkout when you are ready to purchase. Enter your shipping and payment information as prompted. Select a shipping method that suits your needs. Review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. Click on Place Order to finalize your purchase. You will receive a confirmation email with the details of your order. Track your order through your Walmart account or via the email provided. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.